This smells like quality ingredients, quality presentation, quality glass, quality cap. I mean, A to Z. The atomizer is like top tier. This is just fantastic. It's unbelievable, honestly. This one is just insane. The sillage, the compliment factor, it's one of my most complimented as well. And this also comes from the house of Argos, guys. And this is Adonis Awakens. This is A++ material here. This is unmatched. The quality of ingredients, the color of the juice, the sillage, the performance, absolutely outstanding. This you cannot go wrong with. And man, I have to smell this right now. I have to. This lingers on clothes for days. Raspberry cotton candy and clean linens. That's it. 1 to 2 sprays and they'll be dropping. Oh my God, this is fire. That's all I have to say. Easily, so easily at the #1 spot, Adonis Awakens from Argos.